Meaning of First Minister.
First Minister.
First Minister.
First Minister.
First Minister. The term First Minister most commonly refers to the head of government in a devolved administration within a country, such as the First Minister of Scotland or the First Minister of Wales. They are responsible for leading the executive branch and implementing policies, as well as representing their country in national and international affairs. The role may vary depending on the specific country's constitutional arrangements and political context. In summary, a First Minister is the chief executive and leader of a devolved administration within a country.